What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog, whatever time zone you're in, day or night. I hope you're having a good one. So, on the channel yesterday, you saw us lie down the primer on the engine bay of my 2002 Subaru WRX, and today we're going to be lying down the base coat and clear coat. If you're new to the channel, this video is part of a series where we're doing a JDM motor swap on this car. My USDM motor unfortunately took a crap on me, so we had to do a JDM motor swap on the car. So right now we're in the process of painting the engine bay. If you'd like to see the rest of the videos from this series, you can click on this little card right up here somewhere, and then that will take you to the rest of the series. Alright guys, let's get into it and let's lay down this base coat. So you guys just saw me lie down the base coat. I did 3 coats. First coat was just light. Second coat I made sure I got everywhere. And then the third coat I laid it on real heavy. So check it out. All the little specks and stuff too will come out with wet sanding. You know, little dots. So that will come out with a nice wet sand. Now all I gotta do is hit it with the clear. And then it's gonna look great. I'm super hyped on how it looks so far. I'm gonna set you guys up in a spot where you can see. Let's hit it with this clear.
One eternity later.
Alright, so you saw us lie down the clear coat. It's been about an hour. Things are starting to dry up. Check it out. Looks great up in here. My camera's about to die too, it's blinking. But try to get it to focus so you guys can see the blue flake. There you go, you can kind of see it along there. Yeah, just gotta let it dry overnight, and then I can start pulling it out of the garage. You know, I'll start taking all this stuff down. I just want to let it dry up really well overnight, and then I'm gonna come back and wet sand and buff it, and that's when it will have that full primo shine. I'm super happy with how it looks. I can't believe how good it turned out for my first time doing something like this. So yeah, the next thing that you guys will see, it'll be tomorrow morning. This will be fully dried up. I'll probably take this all down, you know, my little makeshift paint booth, tear it down, and then we'll wet sand and buff it, and we'll see how it looks. Look at that blue flake. So money. What's going on, guys? So it's the next day. I wanted to show you guys how the paint came out. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Pretty satisfied with it. I did a lot of stuff today. I put in the hood latch. I mounted the fuse box finally. Got my spot figured out where I want it. You know, cleaned up a lot of the wires. Reloomed this. Reloomed the power wire. Just cleaned up a lot of stuff in here. Did a lot of the miscellaneous stuff. So that way in the next video, I just got a box. Let me show you guys. I just got my gaskets that I've been waiting for. Basically, these are my valve cover gaskets for my JDM motor. So now that I have those, I can put those in the next video, and I'm also waiting on a few more gaskets for that motor, so that way it will be perfect when we drop it in. I won't have any oil leaks. So in the next video, you'll see me putting on those valve cover gaskets and putting on all the other gaskets on the JDM motor. I also have to take off the intake manifold off my USDM motor, so if you like this series so far, make sure you subscribe to see the rest. Click right here if you want to see the videos from earlier in this series. I hope you guys like what you see so far. I'm super hyped on how everything is coming out. I'm sorry for these shorter videos. I just didn't know exactly what to film while painting. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And remember guys, what your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Peace out. Have a good one.